It's a dark and windy, cold night at the Ghetto Monster Garage. Right now, getting everything set up to be able to lower the chassis. Ended up getting a new hub in, new CV axle in. Ended up doing all the undercoat, removing whatever rust I could, and we're gonna get ready to start installing some of these in here. I'm gonna give you a little better view. So we get the polyurethane bushings. All ready to rock. The underside here. Another bushing. Going to the back. Now this one right here ended up being a little bit thinner than the other ones. Well, let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. So I had to taper it now to fit. Now to show you what I'm talking about, this right here would be the standard setup. So I ground down a decent amount. Still kept the black there. This way I just have a taper. Now I'm hoping the weight of the vehicle is going to end up squashing that down enough where it should be good. I'm going to end up doing a time-lapse video of that just to show you exactly I don't know, the process, how it goes down. I'll show it if it's gonna fail or not, so stay tuned. And that should be decent like that. See how good I could blindly fit this bolt. Ah, there we go, look at that. The lining up, pure faith. And that's gonna be what the Ghetto Monster Garage is about, faith. Alright, so we got our nice diving plate here, courtesy of Mr. Hamby there. Doing it the right way, courtesy of Brian. That's the new bracket built up. And last little bit of repairs I had to do. Alright, time to get lowering.